Tomatoes are a popular fruit that is widely consumed around the world. They are packed with nutrients and have been studied extensively for their health benefits. This response will highlight 11 benefits of consuming tomatoes and provide scientific numerical values to support each claim. 1. Improved heart health. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that has been extensively studied for its potential to reduce the risk of heart disease. Lycopene may help reduce the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, which is a significant contributor to the development of heart disease. Studies have shown that consuming 25 to 35 milligrams of lycopene daily can decrease LDL cholesterol levels by 10%. Furthermore, a meta-analysis of 21 studies found that high lycopene consumption was associated with a 17% reduction in the risk of heart disease. 2. Reduced cancer risk. The high levels of lycopene in tomatoes also effectively reduce the risk of certain cancers. Studies have found that a high intake of tomatoes or lycopene is associated with a reduced risk of prostate, lung, and stomach cancer. For example, one study found that consuming tomatoes more than 7 times per week reduced the risk of prostate cancer by 31%. Another study found that a higher intake of lycopene was associated with a 23% reduction in the risk of ovarian cancer. 3. Eye health. Tomatoes contain high levels of vitamin A and lutein, necessary for maintaining eye health. Vitamin A is essential for vision and helps prevent age-related macular degeneration, while lutein protects the eyes from harmful blue light. 1 cup of tomato juice provides over 50% of the daily recommended value of vitamin A. A study of over 100,000 women found that those with the highest intake of lutein and zeaxanthin, another carotenoid found in tomatoes, had a 23% lower risk of cataracts. 4. Blood sugar control. Tomatoes are low in calories and fiber, making them a good choice for those looking to control their blood sugar levels. One study found that consuming tomato juice for 8 weeks decreased fasting blood glucose levels by 14%. Another study found that a diet rich in tomato products was associated with a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. 5. Skin health. The high levels of vitamin C and lycopene in tomatoes effectively promote skin health. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which helps keep the skin firm and smooth, while lycopene helps protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation. A study found that consuming tomato paste for 12 weeks reduced sunburn by 33%. Another study found that a diet rich in tomatoes was associated with a reduced risk of skin cancer. 6. Weight loss. The low-calorie and high-fiber content of tomatoes makes them an excellent food for weight loss. 1 medium-sized tomato contains only 22 calories and 1.5 grams of fiber. The fiber in tomatoes can help you feel full and satisfied, which may help reduce overall calorie intake. Furthermore, a review of 25 studies found that a high intake of fruits and vegetables, including tomatoes, was associated with weight loss and improved body composition. 7. Improved digestion. The fiber in tomatoes also makes them effective in promoting healthy digestion. Fiber helps keep the digestive system running smoothly and may reduce the risk of constipation, hemorrhoids, and diverticulitis. 1 medium-sized tomato provides about 2 grams of fiber, about 8% of the daily recommended value. 8. Reduced inflammation. The high levels of antioxidants in tomatoes effectively reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is linked to many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. One study found that consuming tomato juice for 3 weeks decreased levels of the inflammatory marker IL-6 by 17%. Another study found that a high intake of tomatoes was associated with lower levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, another inflammatory marker. 9. Improved bone health. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin K, which plays a critical role in bone health by helping to activate osteocalcin, a protein essential for bone formation. Vitamin K also helps prevent excessive calcium buildup in the body, which can lead to the calcification of the arteries. 1 cup of chopped tomatoes provides about 14% of the daily recommended value of vitamin K. 10. Improved mood. Tomatoes contain folate, essential for producing serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood. Low levels of folate have been linked to depression and other mood disorders. 1 cup of tomato juice provides about 10% of the daily recommended value of folate. 11. Improved immune function. The high levels of vitamin C in tomatoes make them effective in boosting immune function. Vitamin C is essential for producing white blood cells, which help fight off infection and disease. 1 medium-sized tomato provides about 28% of the daily recommended value of vitamin C. Tomatoes are a nutritious and versatile fruit that offer numerous health benefits. They are low in calories and high in fiber, making them an excellent food choice for those looking to improve their overall health. From reducing the risk of heart disease and cancer to enhancing mood and immune function, there are many reasons to include tomatoes in your diet.